Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aptopad token. Ticker symbol is APD. This token is being listed very soon on a central exchange. Brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token. So the Aptopad token will be listed on Mexc Global, 14 hours UTC time on April 25th. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search APD, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Mexc Global, April 25th. 14 hours UTC time, ticker symbol APD. So if you want to find more information about this token, go over to their webpage, aptopad.io. They have an application you can launch. They have a full audit that you can check out by MoveBit. The Aptopad PDF audit report, you can check that out. They have different projects. You can apply for a project on here. If you don't know what a Launchpad is, just think about what Pink Sale is. So it says invest in big opportunities safely on the Aptos network. So that's where the name Aptos comes from, and Pad comes from Launchpad. So the Aptopad is an Aptos project that aims to safely join IDOs, and it says apply project. You can click on there. Now, they do have a 14-page white paper. Tells you all the information you need to know. So Aptopad is the best decentralized launchpad on the Aptos network, with Aptos building the safest and most scalable layer 1 blockchain for millions of users. Aptopad is engineered from the ground up to empower the Aptos project owners by offering a strategized token launch experience with customized launch models, time periods, accepted token types, and auction algorithms. Aptopad only succeeds if the Launchpad projects succeed as well. So Aptopad's a startup incubator and Launchpad platform. Super Launch will help startups with their funding and support to launch their project in the most efficient and secure way possible. Aptopad team will provide quality, security, and trust investment ways to blockchain projects and investors, filling the gap that exists between project ideas and needed funding. We provide project creators with an all-in-one solution right from the development phase to the fundraising stage. Investors with effective solutions for investments in early-stage ventures while ensuring a risk-free system via our anti-rug mechanism. Our ultimate goal is making fundraising and investing an amazing adventure. We have an ecosystem that produces solutions to common dilemmas occurring in the rapidly evolving crypto industry. Unpleasant experiences in this sector can play a negative role in the development of the sector from time to time and hamper the current growth. At this point, Aptopad aims to adapt to change, support, and contribute by developing our main goal in this protocol developed with these principles. With its fast transaction, low transaction fees, and secured transactions, it offers a unique experience with the insurance protocol that we now call Extended Insurance Protocol, IEP. So it goes over what Aptos is. If you're not sure about what Aptos, the layer 1 blockchain is that uses proof of stake, you can check that out on their white paper, but we don't need to learn about Aptos today. what is the Aptopad platform? Well, it's an IDO launchpad. It's designed for decentralized fundraising. Conventional launchpads tend to rely on the first-come, first-served users. Unlike traditional launchpads, our launchpad is fair and equitable for all, and yet it will still reward token holders just as a centralized exchange would. The Aptopad launchpad doesn't have high financial barriers to be able to enter the market. Aptopad also does not have whitelist spots based on first form fillers. The Aptopad fundraising will allow the trilogy system marked in 3 rounds. The system ensures guaranteed fund allocation to the participants based on the quality of Aptopad tokens that they own. Look at our trilogy system for fund allocation. So round 1 will include all token holders in the pool fulfilling the base requirements of staked APD tokens. APD token holders can contribute based on the staked quantity of APD tokens or the size of their tiers that they're providing liquidity for. So there's whitelisting. Round 2, the third round will only take place if IDO projects have any unsold spare tokens via FCFS. And round 3, the round is open for anyone and no criteria of staked APD tokens applies here. So yeah, a bunch of different rounds that you can get involved with when you're funding an IDO. So they have the Aptopad auction contract as well. So Aptopad is using a self-running automated contract for the sale of APD tokens, and the contract is deployed on the Aptos blockchain. Now, tokenomics for this token, 15% of the tokens go to development, 15% marketing, 10% staking, 16% liquidity, 4% public round, 10% seed round, 10% private round, 2% airdrop, 8% advisors, 10% team. So it goes over the tier levels, how many tokens you need to hold to be in different tiers. Their roadmap is on here, starting with Q1 this year, social media launch, token launch, public sale, contract audit. Now, this is where we're at right here. Q2, we have the central exchange listing, which is Mexc Global, new staking tiers, and then we got Q3, auction system integration, mobile app for iOS and Android, and website with MVP release. Check them out on Telegram at Aptopad.io, Twitter, Aptopad_IO, and their official webpage, Aptopad.io. And you can find this token newly listed, like I said, April 25th on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.